Okay, first open your browser. Now go to your browser and search here ChatGPT. Okay, now open this link introducing ChatGPT. Now click here, try ChatGPT. Okay, in here you have to login or sign up. I think you know it. So I have an account, so login. Now click here. After you login, click here more tools, and you can create desktop shortcut from here. Okay, so now I am opening my desktop shortcut. This is it. So I'm opening this. Log into your ChatGPT account and come this interface. Okay. Now start a new chat from here and send a message to her or ChatGPT bot. Okay, I am here typing. I need to see create. I need to create a motivation. Oh, sorry. Motivation story. Oh, she is preparing a motivation story for us. If you don't need like this thing, you can stop here and you can type like this. Give me some motivation. Okay, like this one. Believe you can, and you can choose something. You can choose anything from here. Okay, I like first one. Okay, this is so copy this and paste here and type give me a short story for this. Okay, now she is generating a story for us. This is the story. Okay, now we no need to type, so copy this story and uh, go to the browser again, type here speech gen here speechgen.io realistic text to speech. Okay, here you can translate anything to any voice. There is many voices.
Convert text to speech with modern neural networks. Use it for work, video editing, business.
Okay, these are the voices. Now this, if you can pay them, you can select this, but if you need free voices, you can select
Convert
from
text
here.
to speech with modern neural networks. Use it for work, video.
I like this.
Convert text to
Now I like this voice.
Convert text to speech with modern neural networks.
Okay, so I select this voice and select all and paste our story. Choose here generate speech. Wait for the result. Okay,
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Max who had
now click here download and it's downloading. So remember this file, so go to CapCut.com. now open a new tab, search here CapCut. Okay, here is CapCut. And sign up for free, or you can download CapCut from here, download Windows, so download mobile. So I have downloaded already, so I am opening CapCut. After you open CapCut, select new project, and you can edit videos from here. Here is the video. So now we have to add a background for this video. I'm going to download a picture for this. So open Chrome browser, type here. This is the link. So go here, and you can see many images from here, free download. Okay, so type here a boy with basketball. These are images. So let's see. Oh, I think this is very good. This beautiful, so beautifully made. So this is very attraction for my video. If not, download from my screen. Close. So you can see loading. Now we can see the wallpaper and download wallpaper. Okay, pixel JPG. Now go to CapCut. When here, import, go to downloads. Now open this. Okay, we can see our image have added to this. Now drag and drop here. Okay, scale you can change from here. Here is scale of picture, so I am 100%. Now what we have to do, so okay guys, I import and go to the your downloaded voice. Now drag and drop here. Okay, let's play.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Max.
Okay. Minimize this, and I'm going to do this for all. Okay, now we have to zoom in it, and now we have voice, now we have photo, and we need some subtitle for this. Okay, so go to here text, in here auto caption, so English, select the language in English and create. Okay, here is the caption. Now customize, we can customize our captions. So I am going to captions. You can see here all captions. Now go to text, tick here, remember tick here, apply to all, once upon a time. So font, you can change the font from here. I'm selecting like this is so good, and font size, so okay, it's enough. Oh, style, blood, color, we can change our color from here. I'm going to be black color, and stove, here, style once upon a time. Okay, so here is spacing, we know it, position and size. Okay, so here you can change text position. Okay, so Stop color. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay. Click here background and add a background if you need. Okay. Here I am going to give background color as white color. Okay, our video has animation here. This is so good. I think this is good.
Once upon
Okay. So tracking, motion track, we no need. Text to speech, we no need. We don't need it. So, okay guys. Now let's play our video and see what happened.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Max. Most of the other players his age. One day,
It's good.
Max's coach noticed
So
his dedication
click
and
here
love for the
export
game.
and name your video. Okay, we can see our video has been exported. So now open folder. You can see here. Okay, you can see here our video. So now we need a thumbnail for the video. So we are going to create a thumbnail for this video. You can create this from mobile if you need. Okay, I am going to create thumbnail for our video, so let's start it. So I am going to open my browser again and search here Canva. In here, start design a YouTube thumbnail. So I am click here. In here you can see blank page, and in here you can see many thumbnail templates. So I'm going to search in here motivation in here. So let's start making thumbnail. This is good. So replace background first. Go here uploads and upload file. So in here, no, download this, upload this and wait for uploading. So I'm drag and drop our photo for here, and this transparency. Okay. Oh, sorry. In here, we can take a background like this. Okay, it's good. Now here we don't need this text, so I'm going to delete this, and I have only this in here. Position middle. This position again middle. So yeah, now we are going to type our title. So go to ChatGPT again and here new chat. We can see our this below. Copy this and paste here. Now we are going to reduce the size. no, like this is good. Okay, this is so good. So this. Okay, so guys, now we have to add this page. Get that here, get it from here, center, and okay, okay, here, here. Okay guys, so we need to do this as transparent. Okay, so this again layer, so here we can change this. Okay, so our thumbnail is finished. Now go to share. In here you can download your video thumbnail. Download, it's loading. Okay guys, so go to your YouTube studio and post your video.